What if your entire YouTube content calendar, from ideation to scripting to scheduling, ran itself automatically with zero manual input? In this video, we're building a multi-agentic system that autonomously manages your entire production lifecycle. Python LLM frameworks, GPT-4o orchestration, entity framework core, and a persistent state machine. Let's architect this from scratch. Section 1. Multi-agent architecture. We're not building one monolithic bot. We're building 4 specialized agents, each owning exactly one job in the pipeline. The Ideation Agent generates video topics. The Scripting Agent drafts full scripts. The Metadata Agent optimizes titles, descriptions, and tags. And the Scheduler manages your calendar. An Orchestrator ties them all together through a persistent state machine. Section 2. The Content Ideation Agent. This agent scrapes YouTube trending, Reddit, and Hacker News for signals in your niche. It analyzes your channel's audience data and past performance. Then it feeds everything to GPT-4o to generate ranked topic suggestions with confidence scores. Each idea gets stored in your database. This runs automatically on a cron schedule, daily or weekly, so you always have a pipeline of fresh ideas. Section 3. The Script Drafting Agent. This agent takes the top-ranked topic from ideation and drafts a complete video script. Hook, introduction, main content sections, and call to action. Here's the clever part. It uses RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, to pull your previous scripts from a vector store. This ensures the new script matches your speaking style. Then it runs a self-critique loop where a second LLM reviews and improves the draft before finalizing. Section 4. The Metadata Optimization Agent. This agent generates 5 title variants and ranks them by predicted click-through rate using your channel's historical data. It writes SEO-optimized descriptions with timestamps, extracts keywords for tags, generates a hashtag strategy, and even suggests thumbnail text and design concepts. Everything is data-driven, not guesswork. Section 5. The Persistent State Machine. This is the brain of the system. It tracks every content piece through states: idle, ideating, scripting, optimizing, scheduled, and published. The key word is persistent. This state machine is backed by Entity Framework Core and a real database. It survives restarts, crashes, and deployments. Each state transition automatically triggers the next agent. And if anything fails, it supports rollback to the previous state. Section 6. The GPT-4o Task Orchestrator. We're not just calling GPT-4o to generate text. We're using its function calling capability to let it decide which agent to dispatch next based on the current pipeline state. The orchestrator evaluates the situation, picks the right tool, handles errors with retries and fallback strategies, and manages conversation memory to stay token efficient. GPT-4o becomes the brain that reasons about your content pipeline. Section 7. The Entity Framework Core Data Layer. This is the backbone of the entire system. We have entities for content pipelines, video topics with embeddings and confidence scores, scripts with full version history, and metadata with A/B test results. EF Core gives us migrations to keep the schema in sync across deployments, LANQ queries for complex filtering, and transaction support to ensure data integrity when agents update pipeline state. Everything is type-safe and testable. Section 8. The Calendar and Scheduling Agent. This agent analyzes your channel analytics to find the best posting times for maximum reach. It distributes topics across categories to maintain variety, prevents topic overlap and content fatigue, and integrates directly with the YouTube Data API for auto-publishing. Before anything goes live, it sends Slack or email notifications for human review. You stay in control while the agent does the heavy lifting. Section 9. YouTube API Integration. We connect through OAuth 2 with refresh tokens for persistent authentication. One API call uploads the video with all metadata, title, description, tags, everything. You can set thumbnails, playlists, end screens, and schedule future uploads with privacy settings. But here's the real power: we read analytics data back into the Ideation Agent, creating a feedback loop that makes the system smarter over time. Section 10. Putting it all together. The full system combines Python agents for LLM work, a C# backend with Entity Framework Core for data management, and GPT-4o as the orchestrator. A cron job triggers ideation. The state machine drives everything else automatically. Every step is logged, versioned, and reversible. Human-in-the-loop checkpoints let you review before publishing. The whole thing deploys as Docker containers with health checks. This is production-grade autonomous content management. You now have the complete blueprint to build an autonomous AI agent that manages your entire YouTube content calendar. From ideation to publishing, zero manual scheduling. If this architecture deep dive was valuable, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI engineering content. Comment below, what part of your content workflow would you automate first? See you in the next one.